So, when will you move in?
I will probably move in this afternoon. I'm going to check out from the hotel first.
Great. I'm going to head out soon. Maybe I'll give you a ride back to your hotel.
Thanks, but maybe not just yet. I'm going to run a few errands and then I will probably head over around 2 p.m. That's when I'm going to check out from the hotel.
Okay. Will you need any help moving your things over?
Probably not. I only have a backpack.
I'm not going anywhere this afternoon, but maybe I will go to the grocery store to pick up some items. So just give me a call before you make your way over.
Thanks. I definitely will.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time.